Hi everyone, it's Tara of Teraz Touch Braiding, and I'm back with the part 2. So for this method of attaching the 3D butterfly, I will be crocheting. So I'm going through the back of the butterfly to attach the strand of braiding hair. Once you do that, you're going to pull only one part of that through. Make sure it's lined up evenly as possible. And then if you're familiar with the knotless braid method, this would be really handy because all I'm doing is braid down. I'm adding one strand of that, braiding down again, and then I'm adding the other strand. So pretty much you're braiding as usual, as you would be doing any other knotless braids, except you have a butterfly attached to it. But yeah, so you braid all the way down, secure your braid, and then voila, you're done. It's very, very simple. This is for those who aren't familiar with the sewing process or you don't want to glue it or anything, because I'm not big on the glue. All right, so, and here we are demonstrating with the needle for those who want to see the sewing process. You're gonna make sure that it lines up in the center as much as possible. And we're going through the back because we don't want our knot to be visible across the front. You will go through the back and pull through the center. Of course, mine is not knotted because this is just for demonstration purposes. But yeah, and you will go through, double back maybe a couple of times, cut, tie, knot, and you're good. And that's it. Of course, this works on fresh braids better as you're doing it, but like I said, just for demonstration. Hope this helps.